Hello, this is Bruce with LB Web Pro bringing you another video tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to quickly and easily be able to get a post onto your website utilizing WordPress software. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to point your browser to your website slash wp hyphen or dash admin and press enter, and this will bring you the prompt. Now you log in using your username and password, and it'll bring you into the login page. Now to create a post, we simply have to come over and select post, add new, and it's really not too much more complicated than filling in the blanks. So we're going to go ahead and do my post. Now as soon as you do my post, you see that there's a link automatically generated, goes directly to that post. If you want to change the title of that post, you simply can go in here and edit right there and click OK. Well, we're going to use that post. Then I've copied some ipsilorum text right in here, so I'm going to paste that in right now. And that's the post right there. Make sure that you're on the visual editor as opposed to the text editor. If you're on the text editor, then it's not going to display properly for you. Okay. Now, then we're going to want to add some formatting options here. So you just come over and you open up the sync down here, and we're going to do a header 1 file right here. And then on the second paragraph or third paragraph, you can go ahead and add another header of some type. Then you come over to this side. We'll not worry about the featured image right now. You'll want to add some tags or keywords, just a few words that describe what the article is about. In this case, we might add bacon, ground beef. You get the idea. We add those. That'll help the search engines. Then you come over here and you want to add a category. You can type a category there and you add new, and it'll automatically populate in that particular category. Now we're not going to worry about the different formats here, and we'll just go with the standard right now. At this point in time, we can preview the page to see what it looks like, and that's what the page looks like. Come back, and what we want to do now is we want to add an image to this title. So we're going to make a space right there, and we're going to add the image. I'm going to delete this one for right now and reload it. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to upload files, and we'll select the files, and we'll browse to the folder that has the file in it. And then over here you want to fill these squares in. You don't need to add the caption unless you actually want a caption on the photo. But the rest of them are very useful for search engines, so I always make sure to take time to add something there that's description. Now in this particular case, we're not going to assign it left, or we want it to align in the center. And we're not gonna link it to anything, or we're gonna leave it the full size. There's a few different options, and we're gonna insert it into the post. Now we can preview the post once again and see what it looks like on the website. go. Now, one last thing, we can also go back in here. I'm going to delete that. There's another thing we can do. We want to put the cursor where you might want to insert the image, and then we're going to come back down here. We're going to add media, and we're going to insert the picture there, but we don't want it to be this large. We want to edit it and we want to resize it. So first of all, let's say we might want to crop it. So we just come over here, highlight the part that we want to crop, and select the crop button. Then we save the image. Now we have a cropped image, still 347 pixels wide by 353 high, so we're going to edit the image one more time, and we're going to scale it down to 175 scale. So now we've got this picture. It's a square picture rather than rectangular, and it's 175 pixels wide, and instead of having it center line, we're going to line it to the left, and instead of not meeting none, we're going to link it to a web page. And now we're going to insert that into the post, and there we have it inserted. Now that we have that, we can preview it one more time, and we like what it looks like. So now we'll come back here and then we can publish it. We do have other options over here that you should be familiar with. So we can take and we can highlight something. And we can make it bold. We can italicize it. If we want to add a bulleted list, we simply have to highlight the items that we want in the bullet and click that. Now we can preview it one more time. There are changes. That concludes this tutorial. Well, not actually. Actually, one thing we should do also is we should publish it. And once we've published it, then we have several different areas where we can go to view the post. And there's our post. So the keywords are down here. Categories go there. That concludes this tutorial. Have a great day. Bye.